There's an uncanny dissociation from reality that comes when you go into the wild, away from settlements and civilization. Everything older than you, everything bigger than you, and everything holds innumerable stories and secrets. The mountains have seen millions of people like you. The trees have heard all the whispers. The lakes, seas, and waters have engulfed and covered all the confessions. They have witnessed it all. It's we who are the visitors. Nature, I think, is a healer because it has inherent compassion for us. Its passing children that it has observed find solace in its lap. Assumed to be standing for 1,000 years, this Chalukya era temple remains underwater most of the year. In a cosmic play, the seasons change, the water rises and drops, and nature pulls its blanket off the past for just a moment, revealing to us a fragment of the world gone in its playful and wise nurture. It makes you wonder who consecrated this temple, who visited its ghat, who deemed it important, what ceremonies took place here, and whether any miracles ever manifested. Humans come, humans build, humans make stories, and nature witnesses it all. It has seen kings, nations, revolutions, devotion, joy, sorrow, everything. It's a keeper of all the mysteries in the world, a master organism. The individual, on the other hand, is left wondering about their place in this timeless cosmos, wallowing in its own fantasies.